Welcome to the Tandem Wall Construction Guide, where we will provide tips on building both a curved wall and gravity wall. To get started, you will need a rubber mallet, level, square, drill, grinder, and concrete saw. Keeping safety in mind, you will need eye protection, work gloves, safety shoes, ear protection, and a dust mask. Base setup. First, you'll need to prepare your base, which will vary depending on whether you're building on an existing patio, poured concrete, or a compacted base. For a compacted base, you will need to add a compacted gravel base and bedding sand. To finish the foundation, lay a row of U-start blocks on top of the bedding sand. Curved wall installation. For curved wall installation, the U-start blocks should be set along the desired pathway according to your requirements. For straight sections, start with the first block, then position the face unit, followed by the second block. When starting a curved section, ensure the blocks are oriented correctly to accommodate the angle between two face units. You will need to use a partial block to create a gap between two neighboring blocks. This partial block enables you to follow the curvature set by the U-start blocks. Blocks can be split by using another block as support. Position the block to be split, aligning the V-grooves on the edge of the support block, and hit the tail of the block with a mallet. When required, you may need to flip a block. Continue installing in the same fashion until you reach the corner. Corner installation. For corner installation, when you make the turn, it is important to note that universal connectors must be used to create a second attachment point whenever one of the blocks does not connect directly to the face unit as shown here. Continue on past the corner. It is advisable to increase the number of blocks at the corners to offset the pressure exerted by the soil in these areas. You can build additional rows by following these rules and making sure to break the vertical alignment of the face units. Reinforce the corner by adding few extra blocks. Gravity wall installation. When building a wall from 1 to 3 rows, install 1 row of blocks for each row of face units up to the 3rd row. When building a wall from 4 to 6 rows, for the initial 3 rows, add an extra set of blocks. After that, place 1 set of blocks for each row of face units, continuing this process up to the 6th row. When building a wall from 7 to 9 rows, for rows 1 to 3, use 3 layers of blocks for each row. For rows 4 to 6, use 2 layers of blocks for each row. Then, for each subsequent row of face units up to the 9th row, install 1 layer of blocks per row. And there you have a solid, well-built gravity wall. For more information, be sure to check out the Tandem Idea Book and Installation Guide. And for more training information, visit belgard.com.